App Store. Double tap to open.
Okay, so I would just like to share something that I think is very frustrating, and I hope that gets fixed very soon. I've reported it to Feedback Assistant, and I don't know if it's just me, but it's driving me a little crazy. So, first of all, in iOS 13 beta, you cannot share shortcuts.
Spotlight.
If you open the Shortcuts app, which is
Shortcuts.
that one,
Double tap.
let's say I go into a
Capture
shortcut,
someone. Button. Change video speed. Button. Shorten URL. Button. Change video speed. Drag. Edit shortcut.
edit shortcut.
Cancel. Button.
Okay, so where it used to be,
Modified on Derek. This device. Today. 5:53 p.m.
Hold up.
More info. Button. Modified on Derek's iPad Pro. 1/5/9. More info. More info. Key. Dim. Button. Resolve conflicts. Heading. Key. Dim. Button. Modified on Derek. This device. Today. 5:53 p.m. Button. Selected. Modified on Derek. This device. Modified on Derek. More info. Selected. Keep one. Button.
keep one. We'll just keep that one. Okay, so
Actions available. 1.5. Done. Button. Change video speed. Heading.
there's no
Change video speed. Heading.
obviously there's no obvious button, at least the voiceover can access on the screen, that will let you share a shortcut.
Done. Button. Change video speed. Heading. Done. Shortcut settings. Button. This shortcut accepts Safari web pages and URLs. Button. List action. Heading. Draggable.
So, like,
Double tap and
first
hold.
thing
Wait.
is-
This shortcut accepts Safari. Shortcut settings. Button.
So let's just pretend that there's nothing wrong. We'll go into
Change
settings
USB.
because you used to be able to
Details.
share it in there too on the old Shortcuts app.
Import questions. Button.
Well, guess what there isn't?
Share sheet top. Showing share sheet. On. Showing widget. Off. Add to home screen. Change video speed. Text. Record name. Button. Button. Done. Button. Details. Heading. Done.
Share shortcut button. So
Change video speed.
now I have a solution to that. On the App Store, on the iOS 13 beta, you can still download the iOS 12 beta,
Help.
or the iOS 12 Shortcuts app.
App Store. Double tap to
So
open.
in here, you can look, see,
Shortcuts. Do more with your
That's the
apps.
old
Four in
one.
the quarters. Open. Button.
I have it. So let's open it.
Shortcuts. App Store.
Now,
Shortcuts.
in here-
Shortcuts. Edit. Change video speed. Button.
It has the same shortcut that I have on the other Shortcuts app. So
Drag item. Edit shortcut.
if I do edit shortcut,
Button.
I still
Cancel.
have.
Key. Dim. Modified on Derek. This device. More info. Modified on Derek. Selected.
Well, I
Modified on
fixed
Derek. Keep one. Button.
Okay, I still have my beloved share
Change
button.
video. Share. Button. Shortcut. Share. Button.
See,
Change video.
share
speed.
it,
Heading.
makes the iCloud
iCloud
link.
Link.
But
Mail. Button.
let's pretend that we're gonna share it, right? So say I want to send it to another iOS 13 beta person, or say I found a shortcut link on the internet.
Copy iCloud link. Button.
So just for the
Copy
sake of
iCloud
this
link.
demonstration, I'm
Screen
gonna
recording
copy the
in
link.
progress. Anyone. Copy link. Button.
Hit that. Now that always came up.
iCloud.com. Link.
Now occasionally
Password.
that'll crash.
Double tap to
It's
open.
fine. It's still on your clipboard. Don't worry. So that's great. If you're sending it to an iOS 12 person, that's fine. If you send yourself a shortcut like I just did, or you get it from anyone else or anywhere else on the internet,
Dot. Safari.
this happens. So if I go into Safari
Address. iCloud.com.
and I try to paste my link, right?
Clear text. Address. Text. Clear text. Clear text. Address. Text field. Is editing. Search or enter website name. Word mode. Insertion point at start. Paste. Favorites. Heading. Paste. Menu item.
And I don't know if I'm the only one that noticed this, but the paste and go button left.
https://dictate. Button. Go.
Okay, so I'm gonna hit go.
Loaded.
Here it
Format
is.
up. Change video speed. Heading level
Change
1.
video
Text.
speed. Now remember, this is a shortcut. Well, you probably didn't know this. This is a shortcut I got from the gallery. I didn't make this. I didn't get it from somewhere. I just had it, and it was already on my phone from the iOS 12 beta thing.
Get shortcut. Link.
So I'm
Content
gonna press the
information.
get shortcut button. You know what everyone would do, and this
Shortcut.
happens.
Link. Content information. Landmark. Shortcut. Alert. Screen recording in progress. Button. This shortcut cannot be opened because your shortcut security settings don't allow untrusted shortcuts.
Now
Okay. Button.
you might think, okay, idiot,
Search.
go check your
Search
shortcut security
Double tap to
settings. Well, there's nothing in here for settings.
Selected. Gallery. Selected. Gallery.
Like I'm in the
Tab.
gallery.
3.
There's nothing in here.
Automation. My shortcuts.
You think they might be in my shortcuts? Well, they're not. So then I did the next smartest thing. I went into settings,
Double tap to open. Settings. Double.
and I went
VPN.
all the way
Switch
down.
on. Notif. Screen. Gamer. Battery. Cry. Pass. Mail. Cal. No. Ring. Voice. Phone. Message. Fake. Map. New. Stop. Shortcuts.
Just shortcuts,
Button.
and I double tapped.
Settings.
Then I looked
Location.
through here,
Button. iCloud sync. Location. Button. iCloud sync. Allow shortcuts to access. Heading. Location.
and wants access to my location. That's all fine.
iCloud sync. On. Sync shortcut order. On. Double tap to follow
Okay,
settings.
so it's syncing through all my devices. That's great.
Sharing security. Heading.
Oh, this is new.
Allow untrusted shortcuts. Off. Double tap to alert. Screen recording in progress. Button. Apple does not review shortcuts outside of the gallery. Running shortcuts from untrusted sources can put your personal data at risk. Don't allow. Allow. Button.
So
Untrusted shortcuts.
they
On.
did
Secure
fix
text
that.
field. Is editing. Character mode. Insertion point at
Now it
start.
wants my passcode.
0. 8. 9. Delete. 5. Actions available. 1. 5. 1. 4. 8. 0. 9. 6.
Now, I definitely would exercise
Done.
caution when doing this because
1
shortcuts
password
can, like, for instance, I made one called iTunes gift card keygen, and I only sent it to my close friends, and I'm a nice person, but I just wanted to show them the power of shortcuts, so I made it get all their contacts and send them to me in a zip file. Well, they were pretty impressed when I started calling their moms and saying, hey, tell little, insert name here, that I have his number, or that I have your number, and they were a little shocked.
Done. Dim. Button. Enter your passcode.
Sorry, I typed that wrong.
0 5 1 5 8 0 6. Done. Button. Done.
So I definitely would heed that warning and only use shortcuts that you positively know are safe.
Allow sharing and receiving untrusted shortcuts from outside the app. Legal notices. Button.
Like one from me, you know.
Shortcuts. Button. Acknowledgements. Air quality data powered by Copernicus Atmosphere Monitoring Service Information 2018. Air quality data powered by Copernicus Atmosphere. Acknowledgements. Agilix Incorporated. Alamon Firesoft. Agilix Incorporated. 1Password App Extension SDK. Copyright. C. 2014. Alamon Fire Software Foundation. F. Daniel Amate. Tasker QR Progress. Apache Software Foundation. Apache. Apple Incorporated. Core Foundation. Copyright. C. 2014. Apple Incorporated. Scott Airboats. Split View. Copy. Box. Incorporated. ENF. Darwin. Disconnect. Duplicase. Disconnect. Wofo. Dusty. LL. Matt Pop. Chris Sondak. Evernote. Facebook. Evernote Corporation. Evernote. Facebook. Incorporated. Facebook. Incorporated. Pop. Copyright. C. 2004. Sarah Colliman. Jitha. Google. Jitha. Incorporated. Mental. Copyright. C. Jitha. Incorporated. All rights reserved.
Because GitHub has some
Google. Incorporated. Alexander Gusa. Jonathan Hirsch. Icon Factory. Incorporated. IQ Code Journal.
All these are things that people like.
Redistribution and use in source and binary forms.
They had like.
Are permitted provided that the following conditions are met. One, redistributions of source code must retain the above copyright notice. This list of conditions in the following disclaimer. Two, redistributions in binary form.
Right, it's because Shortcuts has a source code for those built in.
Jonathan Hirsch. Status sources. Shortcuts. Back button.
That's how you can like add Evernote notes and stuff. So you know you could actually look through that. It's pretty cool.
Allow untrusted shortcut. Sharing security. Heading.
But that is pretty cool that you can change that now. They did not let you change it before. But there still is the issue of not being able to send them. Now, I didn't think about this. Now that I've changed that, let me see.
Shortcuts. Edit. Button. Change video speed. Drag. Edit shortcut.
If maybe it will let me send these now.
This shortcut accepts Safari web pages and shortcut settings. Button. Done. Change video speed. Heading. Change video speed. Done. Shortcut settings. Button. Change video speed. Heading. Details.
Just look in here.
Import questions. Button. Import questions. Share sheet types. Import questions. Button. Import questions. Button. Import questions. Button. Import questions. Import question. Share sheet types. Safari web pages. URLs. Button. Show in share sheet. On. Showing widget. Off. Add to home screen. Change video speed. Record. Button. Done. Details. Done. Button. Record name. Change. Add. Show. Import questions. Button.
So, okay, so it still does actually allow, or it still does not actually allow you to share them, which stinks really bad, because I really like sharing shortcuts with people, especially people who don't really make their, like, they don't know how to make their own shortcuts, and I have advanced ones like a YouTube downloader, you know, so, like, I really want to share them, but they don't let you, and it's annoying, and I don't like it. So for the time being, download the other Shortcuts app. That's all I gotta say. At least they fixed the security thing, because trust me, that got on my nerves. Thank you. This has been Derek, and I will see you later.
Control center.
Bye-bye.
Selected. Screen recording.